Want a Wikipedia page? Just 3 simple steps. That's what's coming up next on this episode of Wikipedia Best Practices. Creating a Wikipedia page starts with Notability. And with Notability, that means the person or the company needs to meet some eligibility of significance to the public. The second part of creating your own Wikipedia page is, again, curating your media sources and confirming that you have some sort of significance to the public. The third component, which is of critical importance, is that the Wikipedia policies prohibit people who are affiliated with a particular brand, a person, or a company from creating a Wikipedia page without initially disclosing their conflict of interest. And what that means is that in 2015, the Wikimedia Foundation updated its legal terms of use, which legally prohibits companies from creating or even editing Wikipedia without disclosing conflict of interest. How is that legally enforced? Wikipedia can track IP addresses. If you create a Wikipedia page or you're editing Wikipedia pages and they track your IP address, the user logs are transparent and available to the public. The user logs can trigger when they notice that a specific IP address is only editing or working on one particular Wikipedia page. Then the user gets notified. You might be close to the subject person or company. If you are, please follow the guidelines of disclosing conflict of interest. If it escalates and the IP address continues to edit the Wikipedia page or pages, then the user gets another notification of getting blocked. And the third level of escalation is if that user continues to edit, then they have the legal right to block the Wikipedia page from being accessed and block that IP address from accessing Wikipedia. So 2 levels of blocking to prohibit the page from even being published. So in how to create a Wikipedia page, media curation, disclosing conflict of interest, and also declaring on the talk page that you want to create a Wikipedia page, because that third component of inviting and collaborating to create your Wikipedia page is probably the most ethical as well as easier route to getting published on Wikipedia than to try to publish it yourself.